Data scientists are like movie stars, glamorous, in demand, and everybody aspires to take a selfie with the star. Now, the big question is, how do you land a role in this exciting field?
By the way, we have something rewarding for you at the end, so stick around till the end of this video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Navdeep Daniel Ale, your career coach and the co-founder at Whiteboard Consultants, where your future is our focus. I started my career as a sales executive, but data has always fascinated me. And after seeing its power in action, I knew I wanted to be more involved. That's how I found myself digging deeper into the exciting world of data, playing around with it, analyzing it, planning my sales process based on the reports, and believe me, I got great results. And this helped me transition from a sales executive to a vice president during my corporate journey. Remember that time when you were scrolling through Netflix, unsure of what to watch, and then, boom, it recommended a show. You ended up binge watching all night. That's the magic of data science. Netflix uses algorithms to analyze your viewing history, preferences, and even the time of the day you watch to suggest the perfect show. The data science isn't all about entertainment. It's also used to protect us from fraud. Banks use sophisticated data models to detect unusual patterns in transactions, flagging suspicious activities before it causes serious harm. It's like having a superhero guard your finances, thanks to data science. And the good news is there are many paths to enter this field. Now the big question, why data science? So, you're thinking about a career in data science? Well, let's dive right in. Why data science, you ask? Let me tell you, it's like being a superhero, but without the cape and the spandex. You'll be wielding the power of data, fighting crime, solving complex business problems, and make riches. Coming to options for pursuing data science. Broadly, you have three options. Leading colleges, universities in India, top-ranked colleges, universities abroad, and online learning platforms. While top-ranked institutions like the IITs, ISCs, IIITs in India are great places to learn, being among the top learners, landing the best career is a certainty. But unfortunately, these top institutions put together would approximately cater to some 1,500 to 2,000 aspiring data science aspirants annually. You need the likes of GATE scores or need to have a master's degree to be eligible. And most importantly, the huge competition that exists along with the 2 years of dedicated in-campus learning. So, in a nutshell, the outcome is like a funnel. There are some of you who feel in-campus isn't your vibe. Hence, for you comes the option number 2, online learning. This comes with a lot of flexibility in the learning platform, low entry barriers, more affordable, diverse course offerings, and budget-friendly. Let's now discuss the mid path, which is high on ROI, an option which is of 1 year duration, vis-a-vis 2 years in India, budget-friendly, and more importantly, better career opportunities due to lower competition. That is, job opportunities versus the number of job openings. And last but not the least, world-class education. Yes, my friends, I'm talking about data science from international universities. Have you ever researched locations in Europe? Like Ireland and Germany, both having stable economies and having predicted GDP growth of about 2.8% in the next 3 years. Just to give you an idea, take a look at the screenshot. Now, let's revisit the important points once again before considering on how to become a superhero in the field of data science, choice of learning process. India, abroad universities in India, abroad online platforms, the program content, eligibility, program outcome, career support, and the budget. Just to let you know, we have a handbook on career in data science, especially for you. If you want us to share it with you, please click the link in the description to download it for free. If you like this video, please subscribe and smash the bell icon so that you do not miss out on our videos, because your future is our focus. Until next time, folks, keep turning data into dreams, one algorithm at a time, and bye-bye.